a rustling all around. Blue sky reflecting concrete rain. The sidewalk spinning upside down. Faded jeans, your hat and your tattered scarf. Coat of vintage navy blue. On your sleeve, what could have been your heart? Think I look a bit like you. It was me I faced down from the window. Smile as you watch the bus drive by. I wondered who you were and what you're doing here. Yes, I wondered if you were my kind of guy. So it's a little cold here in November when you're waiting on promises to hold. You can't even remember, and you're 1,500 miles away from where you don't even know. It's my first time being alone through the holidays. The colors here are bleeding into one. And I can't tell you which shade of blue I am today, or if I'm slowly fading into brown, into brown. It was me last night, that girl walking home on the street side, through a sea of strangers drunk to numb the pain. Well, I wondered what kind of world are we living in. Yes, I wondered if I'd ever be the same, be the same, be the same. There's a glass on the table. Dare we ask if we can drink it down? Want to know if it can save us. Is it some new antidote we think we found? Didn't say